In all my years living in Ireland, I've never seen snow in any way as deep as this. Just check this out, look. This is pretty deep snow. Now I gotta try and get my car out. Galway has so little traffic today, it's absolutely fantastic. I need my snowboard for this. This is unreal. So I'm headed to Gary's house. How's it going, guys? Oh wow, that is a cool looking bike.
Continue for 1.5 kilometers.
Okay, there goes Gary and his friends on the bikes. And now I gotta go and try and meet them. This could be fun. So I've just parked up here and I'm waiting for Gary and the rest of them. And I've got this. How are you, man? Good to see you. Casey Neistat style. That is absolutely sweet. Gary, that is a mean looking machine.
Would you go bit?
His bike is absolutely amazing. And that is the River Corrib on our left there. How are you folks? Okay, we're going through NUIG here. I'm gonna get a shot of your snowman. What is it, like an igloo type thing? Where to? Lads, I'd love a coffee, would you? Coffee, anyone? So we're here at Galway Cathedral, right here. And we've got a straight run here that's going to bring us right into Galway City, so we're going to go for it. What's the surf like today?
Good weather, good.
Great, great. Guy's got a surfboard there. So I was asking him what the surf was like today. This is, we're heading up Quay Street now. We should not be cycling in the snow. Coffee ordered.
Time to get a recharge.
Really? Badly needed. Lovely hot coffee. 5 fat bikes parked up. Colin has his Fat Lab headscarf.
Head thing, I don't know, yeah, it's a head neck.
Neck gaiter. We've Adrian as well, chilling out. Thanks to Gary here for loaning me the bike. Mick Burke, photographer here, he's just taking a shot. He's promised to send it to me on Facebook.
Sweet, isn't it?
Yeah. It just lets his fingers out. That is so, put up to the camera.
Very good for photography. $7.99.
That, I have been looking for these type of gloves for years. Where'd you get them?
$7.99 in Aldi.
$7.99 in Aldi. I mean, come on. Okay, before I go back to the car, I'm just going to take a quick spin. Sorry. So this is the Claddagh here, look at this in the background. Wow, famous area of Galway. Got all these boats over here and stuff. I would say it's cold out in that boat. Sightseeing tours. So I'm going to go over here now and I'm going to try and get a photograph